Hello, I'm Perry Jones, one of the real estate agents with eXp Realty in Putnam Valley. I thought I'd do something a little different today and take you outside and show you some of the water that runs off into the lake, causing blue-green algae. So, without anything further to do, I'm going to take you on a quick kayak tour of Lake Peekskill and show you all the drainage that goes into the lake. So, let's go. So the lake usually isn't this high, but in July of 2023, we had a huge rainstorm, which actually really filled up the lake. As you can see here, many of the docks were actually submerged around the lake. And I'll take you for a tour and you'll see some of it, as well as the runoff as well. So let's go. And that ends our quick trip around the lake, showing you all of the runoff that runs into the lake, causing blue-green algae after a very large rainstorm.